and eat. Come on. Let's pick up with electricity this morning. All prepared and all, and I have leftover food from yesterday night as well. I'll just do this. Not a breakfast, so okay. So I think I've got a long day today. I have a lot of things to do. So hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I didn't really have much sleep last night, and also I've been thinking a lot of pain in this head of mine. I don't know. But what can I do? I can't complain too much and all the time. But sometimes anyway, when you complain and talk things out like this, you feel a bit relief. Actually, I think there is I think everything has just been going up, down, up, down. I just don't know. I don't even know how to explain it. Now, this morning, a pumping machine. I don't know if it's the pumping machine or if it's an electrical fault, but I've actually called the electrician, and I've also called the plumber, so they can come check on it this morning. So I'm actually waiting for them to come, and I hope and pray to come on time because I think I have other things to do. Yeah, because we're supposed to go to grandma's place. Like I said, I think I said it in one of our videos because that's where we'll be spending our Xmas. And she has been calling non-stop, asking me to bring her grandchildren. So that's it. She has been disturbing. I told her I have one or two things to put in place before leaving the house. So I actually want to do that before we leave, before we go. And I also hope that when I get there, at least the stress of taking care of the kids is going to lessen, and the thinking will also reduce. Being that I'll be thinking so much about things I'll be doing here in my house, because seriously there are a lot of things to be fixed in this house, and at least I really wanted one thing to be done, but none of them. I wasn't able to achieve any of them. But I still have faith before the end of the year I'm still able to do one of them, or even start, okay, one of them. So I still have faith in God. I have faith in God, and I believe there's nothing God can't do, right? And also my YouTube channel, I don't know what's happening. YouTube actually sent me a message. I don't know what happened. I don't know the violation or the guideline I broke. So I was going through my mail, was it yesterday, and I noticed they sent me a message because I'm not that kind of person that check the mail all the time, because I don't really do my business with emails. But I know by next year I should start something so that it will be taking me to my mailbox, like if not every day, almost every day. So when I was checking, I found out that YouTube actually sent me a message, and they're trying to tell me that I broke a guideline. on their platform, and so they're asking me to send, is it a passport or a valid ID? Yeah, a valid ID card before they can make my videos go around, because I feel they actually sent it there. I don't know. I think I'll screenshot, then I'll put it up somewhere. So they were like, I think they restricted my videos from going places for people to be able to see it and engage with it, for my video to be engaged. Yes. So I think that is what is happening, because they made mention of it, that my video will be restricted from being engaged. The shorts, because all of a sudden, because I know I used to have a lot of views, at least my YouTube shorts, they try, right? But for a while now, like, if not more than a week, yeah, I've not been getting any views, like even one views on my shorts when I upload. And I was thinking, what could be the problem? Not until, I don't know, I just said, okay, I stumbled on my mailbox and I said, okay, let me just go through it and see what's happening there. And I found out that, yeah, they actually did send me email. So that's it. So I'll try and see what I can do and make sure I rectify all of that, so they can just help me push my videos out, because I mean there are people that are like, you have great content and all of that, but what's happening? Why is you? I don't know. Seriously, I don't know. But anyway, I don't want to dwell in that too much. But all I will say right now is, please, if you come across my video, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, okay? Like, so that other people can see and watch. Okay, thank you very much. I'll get to see you guys. Okay. Now, as if this rope fall inside, you don't condemn.
Ah, yes, sir.
Are you serious? But what if they condemn? They don't, okay, they don't feel come out the rope. But what you concern the rope and the?
Now the rope dey weight the pumping machine in case if the same one fall. You know, say pipe fit move anytime.
Yeah.
So now for the supporting.
Wow. Hi. Good.
Because gun fit weak anytime. We use gun.
Okay. Like this rope, you know, chop like that.
This one's and the rope no dey sharp like, but like this, you get the wey we dey make use. They dey strong well well.
Okay.
So that's no go.
Ha. Thank you.